Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Tlauncher and load the exact profile version you intend to use. Once done, start the world and confirm cheats or commands are enabled. This is mandatory. You will need operator privileges on an integrated server or single-player world to run commands. Make sure you're in a safe area before switching. Changing game mode can drop you or remove items. Next, press the chat key to prepare for the command, and keep the console or chat visible for immediate feedback. You press T to open chat and type the game mode command. For example, /gamemode creative to switch yourself instantly. If you need to target a player, append at S for yourself, at P for nearest, or a username. This matters on multiplayer. Once you send the command, watch the confirmation message. It tells you whether it succeeded. If you prefer numeric ID, use 0 for survival, 1 for creative, 2 for adventure, 3 for spectator. Make sure spelling and spaces are correct. You check that your inventory and flight or invulnerability match the selected game mode immediately after switching. If the command failed, make sure you are an operator or that cheats are enabled. On servers, ask an admin to grant permissions. Once done, try the server console or restart the world if the change doesn't apply. Sometimes a reload fixes permission caching. Finally, when things still go wrong, recheck the exact command spelling, target selector, and that you're using the matching Minecraft version in Tlauncher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.